long bones here. These long bones, 5, they are then connected to small, there are bones here, which is 3, 4, 5 bones here down. And then down here there are 2 bones. So 2, 5, 5, and then again here this is about 3, 3, 3, so 15 here. So these are the number of bones of this. Now, whenever we are walking, your foot plays, heel goes, the heel comes down, then the complete foot comes, then the heel moves up, and then this thing moves. So this movement to happens at this joint. So your shoe, whatever the shoe is there, you should be able to move your shoe. It is up and down from there. So when we buy the shoe, we take the shoe, we move that particular portion and check whether that is moving. If it is moving further down or if it is not moving, both are not good. If this part is very rigid, not moving, you will have to put in a lot of effort to walk. You are going to come up with the pain in the back of the heel. If in case the movement is too flexible, then in that case, the moment your foot heel, complete foot, heel off, the heel off phase will immediately follow up with the push, the toe off. So again, that leads to imbalancing. So you are going to strain your upper part of the leg a lot to balance yourself. So this is not supposed to be too flexible. This is not supposed to be too rigid, but it has to have a movement in that portion of the shoe. So this is the part. It should bend. It has to bend here. And the shoe, you should not be able to twist the shoe. If the shoe is getting twisted this way, not good. If the shoe is somewhere here, if it is bending, that is not good. It has to bend in the portion where this part of the toes come. That is the place where the bending should happen. Then the inner part of the shoe, the heel part, the toe part. Any shoe where you place your foot, it should help your body weight to be transferred forward. It should let you move forward. That can happen only when the heel part is a little up than the toe part. There are shoes where the heel is down than the remaining part. So move your hand inside and then check. The heel, if it is going down backwards, it is not going to be good for movement.